It's day 2 of the bail hearing for Olympic athlete Oscar Pistorius.
And there's been a lot of discussion around the world, but today the discussion is about 2 boxes found in his bedroom. Now, Olympic superstar Oscar Pistorius appeared in a South African court, and he explained how he had accidentally shot his girlfriend. But prosecutors are painting a far different picture, one of a calculated killer who had the presence of mind to strap on his prosthetic leg, walk 20 feet, and open fire on his girlfriend. Ebru Today's New York correspondent Aaron Aid has more. Good morning, Aaron.
Thank you, Mina. That's right. Oscar Pistorius' bail hearing is scheduled for today, Wednesday, and legal analysts are trying to guess whether or not the Olympic and Paralympic athlete who is charged with premeditated murder will be granted bail or not.
Prosecutors told a South African court on Wednesday that witnesses heard non-stop arguments at the home of Olympian Oscar Pistorius shortly before he fatally shot his girlfriend. Prosecutors also said shouting was heard for an hour from the sprinter's home in a Pitorius suburb around 2 a.m. on Valentine's Day. Carl Pitorius, a counselor for the South African Law Society, said that if bail was to be granted to Pistorius, there would be a sum of money to be paid and there would also be conditions attached. For example, handing in his passport and not being permitted to interfere with any state's witnesses.
Those conditions will be considered by the presiding officer in the context of the facts of this particular matter and then imposed. But the effect of bail is that pending the finalization of the trial, the accused will be released from custody, and the effect of not giving bail is that the accused will be held in custody pending the finalization of the trial.
As the bail hearing continued on Wednesday, police said they found 2 boxes of testosterone and needles in the bedroom of Oscar Pistorius. The testosterone, however, was found to actually be a legal herbal remedy used by athletes. Pistorius became the first Paralympian runner to compete at the Olympic Games in London last year. 26-year-old Pistorius has insisted he shot the 29-year-old Riva Steenkamp by mistake, fearing there was an intruder in his gated and guarded luxury complex in Pretoria, South Africa. A conviction of premeditated murder carries a mandatory sentence of life in jail in South Africa. The magistrate ruled that Pistorius faces the harshest bail requirements available in South African law. Pistorius' lawyer Barry Roy insisted the shooting was an accident and that there is no evidence to substantiate a murder charge.
Now, the first officer to arrive on the scene, Detective Hilton Botha, he testified at the Star Athletes hearing on Wednesday, saying that Pistorius illegally possessed a .38 caliber ammunition, not the gun, but the .38 caliber ammunition in a safe in his bedroom. Now, the policeman also testified that Pistorius did not have a license for a .38 caliber gun, so consequently did not have any right or reason to have that ammunition in his safe. The detective also finally said that Pistorius would only say following the shooting that he thought it was a burglar. He just kept repeating those words. He thought it was a burglar. So we'll see what happens from here on out. We'll be keeping a close watch on this bail hearing and the entire case in general. Back to you guys in the studio.
Thanks, Aaron.